I know you have a potato PC and looking for an emulator that runs smoothly without any lag. So in today's video, I have gathered up the top 3 best emulators for low-end PCs. Whether you are into gaming or want an emulator for everyday tasks, these have got you covered. And remember, each emulator is unique in some way. So if you want the best emulator perfect for your PC, watch till the end. Let's start. Let's start with Play 9. This is the best Android emulator if you have a 4GB RAM PC. It offers seamless performance and compatibility with a wide range of apps and games available on the Play Store. Running on Android 9, Play ensures that you have access to the latest features and updates. Play 9 provides a user-friendly interface and customizable settings, making it a versatile choice for both casual users and gaming enthusiasts. Next up, we have SmartGaga, an emulator specifically optimized for FPS games like PUBG Mobile and Free Fire. If you have a 2GB RAM PC, you should definitely check it out. Running on Android 7, it provides compatibility with a vast majority of apps and games available on the Play Store. SmartGaga's focus on gaming performance makes it an ideal choice for users looking to immerse themselves in action-packed gameplay without the need for a dedicated graphics card. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls further enhance the gaming experience, making it a popular option among gamers. Finally, we have Nebula, an emulator specifically designed for low-end PCs. It's the lightest emulator available and can operate on almost every type of PC. You need a 1GB RAM PC and you're good to go. Also, you don't need to turn on the virtualization to run this emulator. It's based on Android 7, guaranteeing compatibility with most apps and games from the Play Store. It's simple, smooth, and ideal for low-end PCs. In conclusion, if you have a 4GB RAM PC and want good Android support, Play 9 is the way to go. For gamers with 2GB RAM systems, check out SmartGaga. Lastly, if you have a low-end PC and need a lightweight emulator for smooth Android app usage, Nebula is the perfect choice. So that's all for today's video. Hope you learned something new. Take care and goodbye.